Feel. Take a long, deep breath and just feel the rhythm of your own heart. Can you feel how tired it is? I'm not talking about physical exhaustion. I'm talking about the emotional labor of holding your breath, waiting for someone to finally see you, waiting for an apology that never came, waiting for a love that promised to stay, but walked away when the shadows grew long. You've been standing at the window of your soul, staring into the dark, wondering when it will be your turn to be cherished. But today, at the 7th gate, the Divine Physician is closing that window. He is not here to help you wait better. He is here to stop the waiting altogether, because you cannot attract what you are begging for from a place of lack. You've been living in a fortress of protection, thinking it was a sanctuary, but today you will realize you were meant to be a temple of love, not a prison of maybe someday. Welcome to Quiet Moments with God. Welcome to day 7, the Heart of Hearts. 7 is the number of perfection. It is the sacred milestone where we stop the doing and begin the being. We have cleared your vision. We have unblocked your voice. Now we enter the holiest chamber of all, your heart. Before we begin this restoration, let us settle the spirit. Close your eyes and imagine the emerald light of the first 6 days forming a soft, warm floor beneath you. You are safe. You are held. Take a breath into the very center of your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it there. Now exhale, and as the air leaves you, feel the armor around your ribs, that tight, jagged cage you built to survive, starting to turn into soft, golden mist. Archangel Raphael is standing before you now. His presence today is not the sharp neon of the previous gates. It is a deep, comforting fusion of emerald green and a soft, glowing rose gold light. He calls this the frequency of the beloved. He reaches out his hand and places it directly over your heart center. Immediately, the chamber of memory opens. Every person who ever made you feel not enough. Every word that felt like a shard of glass in your soul. Every ghost of a relationship that still haunts your current peace. Raphael is not here to make you relive the pain. He is here to extract the poison. Imagine his rose gold light seeping into the cracks of your heart. It feels like warm oil being poured over a dry, parched land. Watch as the dark, jagged lines, the scars of betrayal, and the holes of grief begin to glow. They are not disappearing. They are being transfigured. They are being filled with liquid grace until the scars become veins of gold. You might feel a warmth in your chest, or perhaps a sudden tear in your eye. Let it flow. Those tears are the sensory dust of the heart being washed away. You are releasing the contract you signed with loneliness. You are canceling the debt of those who hurt you, not because they deserve it, but because your heart is too precious to be a graveyard for their mistakes. Inhale the rose gold light. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it in the center of your heart. Feel the armor completely dissolving. Now exhale and watch the shadows of the past leave your body like gray smoke. Now that the chamber is clear, the Archangel whispers the secret of day 7. You have been taught to wait for love to find you. You've been told that if you are good enough or successful enough, the right person will appear. But Raphael shows you the instead. Instead of waiting for a love to fill the hole, you must become the source of the love you seek. If you seek tenderness, you must be the first to offer it to yourself. If you seek loyalty, you must first be loyal to your own soul. The instead is the activation of your internal magnet. In the sanctuary of your mind, repeat this decree of sovereignty. I am no longer a seeker of love. I am the very presence of love itself. I do not beg for connection. I radiate it. My heart is a temple of divine affection, and like attracts like. As you speak, visualize a brilliant, pulsating explosion of emerald and rose gold light in your chest. This is the heart reset. It is shifting your frequency from lonely to complete. When you move from this place of wholeness, you don't chase relationships. You attract them like a flame attracts a moth. This is the shift that changes everything. You are no longer waiting for a life to begin. You are the life that has already begun. Now, look at the power of your new heart light. From that central burst in your chest, a thin, shimmering, golden thread of light begins to emerge. It is a thread of pure, divine intention. Watch as this thread shoots out into the darkness of the world, guided by Raphael's hand. It travels through time and space. It reaches toward the family member you haven't spoken to in years. It reaches toward the partner who has grown cold and distant. It reaches toward the soul connections you haven't even met yet. Through the emerald lens of day 5, you see these threads connecting. You aren't forcing them. You aren't begging. You are simply broadcasting your new frequency of wholeness. Notice how the other person's heart begins to glow when your thread touches them. Misunderstandings dissolve. Walls crumble. The static of old arguments is replaced by the warmth of this golden connection. Visualize your home, your dinner table, your workplace, all being woven into this web of golden rose light. You are the harmonizer. Wherever you go, peace follows, not because you are doing anything, but because of who you have become. Inhale the scent of this new harmony, like the smell of ancient jasmine and warm honey. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, exhale, and feel the need to be right, or the need to control leaving your body. You are safe in the flow of divine love. We have reached the conclusion of our first 7 days. You have walked through the gates of vision, expression, and now, love. Archangel Raphael stands behind you, his wings spread wide like a great halo of iridescent white and emerald light. He places both hands on your shoulders and then moves them to seal your heart center. He leaves a final emblem, a rose made of emerald light with a golden heart. This is the seal of the Sabbath. It means you are whole. It means your first week of restoration is perfect. Stay in this warmth for a few more minutes. Do not rush back to the waiting. Do not check your phone for a message to validate this peace. The peace is the validation. You have survived the first week. You have cleared the major blockages, but we are only 1/3 of the way through. Tomorrow, for day 8, we begin the second ascension. We move from the personal to the generational. We will focus on healing the ancestral line, clearing the patterns of lack, illness, and sorrow that you inherited from those who came before you. Now that your heart is whole, you are strong enough to heal your entire bloodline. Do not miss day 8. It is the day your family tree begins to bear new, golden fruit. Go forth now. Love without fear. Exist without waiting. Walk in the rose gold sovereignty of Archangel Raphael. You are beautiful. You are clear. You are loved. God bless you, and I will see you in our next quiet moment. Amen.
If this moment of quiet touched your soul, then you have found your sanctuary. Healing is not a single event. It is a journey we walk together, one breath at a time. To stay connected to the emerald light and ensure you never miss a step of your restoration, I invite you to subscribe to Quiet Moments with God. Click the bell icon so our morning prayers can find you, no matter where you are in the world. To anchor today's blessing in your life, leave a comment below with your specific intention, or simply type Amen to seal this prayer in your heart. Remember, your words carry the frequency of your faith. If you know someone who is walking through a valley of shadow, share this light with them. You might be the answer to someone else's prayer today. You are loved. You are whole. You are never alone. I will see you in our next quiet moment. God bless you.